Oh, what's this? Thundercloud. It is thundercloud. And this? What is this? Rain cloud. Rain cloud. Yes, you're happy. And this baby, ito yung isa sa favorite mo nung newborn ka palang anak, nung mga 2 months ka. Ito na, napakita namin sa'yo. Ito na, oh, what's this? Baby, what is this? Grapes. A bunch of grapes. What is this? Grapes. Yes. This one. No. Later. This one. Oh, ano to? Lips ni Hero. Lips. Tuwan-tuwa. Ito. Ay, tapos na pala. Ito anak ko. What's this? White diamond. White diamond. Ito. What's this, anak? Lemon. What's this? Lemon. Up. Dito ka lang kay mami. Ay, ito. What's this? A crescent moon with 3 little stars. Yes, a moon and 3 little stars. Next. What's this? The curvy white lines. Curvy white lines or wavy lines. And this baby, what are these? Polka dots. Ano yan, baby? Polka dots. Pwede na yan, polka dots na yan. And this? Clover leaf. A clover leaf. Or 4 hearts. 4 white hearts. Yes! Parang kapamilyar ka doon, anak ko. Kasi nung newborn ka, pinapakita namin sa'yo. Oh, what is this, anak ko? A star! A big star! Up. And this? What is this, anak ko? It looks like a katol or ABS-CBN. Cherry. And this baby ko. What is this baby? A big white circle. Ano ulit? A big white circle. Tuwan-tuwa. Oh, ano to? It's like window. Char. White lines. Di ko alam. Basta yan. Line yan. Mamaya yan. Hindi pwede laruan yan. Ito. Oh, what is this, anak ko? What is this, baby? A footprint. Or a footprint. Kaninong paa to, anak? Hindi na to paa mo kasi maliit-liit siya. Pero nung maliit ka sa'yo to. Wow! Up! Okay. And next, mamaya may laruan. Ito. What is this? What's this, anak? A hand! Appear ka nga dito sa hand. Oh, dito ka dito. Anak, oh. Again, tinan mo, oh. Lapat mo dito, kamay mo. Lapat mo. Oh, yan, no. Yan. Oh, di ba?
Laki?
Hindi mo yan laruan, anak. Oh, what is this? A sun.